Tim versus the Universe: How I Ended Up Living in a Super C with a Limp and a Dream. There comes a time in every man's life when he looks at his house, his mortgage, his towering pile of utility bills, and thinks, you know what sounds fun? Selling everything and living in a box on wheels. That man was me. Hi, I'm Tim. I live full time in a 2023 Jayco Seneca 37M Super C motorhome, a glorious, diesel powered beast that is somehow both my home and my occasional nemesis. My journey to RV life wasn't exactly smooth. In fact, if my life were a road, it'd be full of potholes, surprise detours, and at least one raccoon with a grudge. It all started after a whirlwind of unfortunate events that included a hip surgery, withdrawal from medications, surprise diabetes, and the kind of existential crisis usually reserved for indie films or country music albums. One minute I was just living my suburban life, and the next I was Googling, can you live in an RV full time without going completely insane? The answer, by the way, is yes, but only if you have a sense of humor and a decent gray tank. The RV dream sounded romantic at first: freedom, open roads, majestic views, and the occasional moose sighting. But what the lifestyle influencers don't tell you is that there's a dark side, like waiting for a hose delivery just so you can take a shower, or discovering that your air conditioner and bedroom lights are conspiring to blow the same fuse, like some kind of passive aggressive electric rebellion. And then there's maintenance. Oh, maintenance. The never ending saga of squeaky slides, moody water pumps, and that one cupboard door that refuses to stay shut like it's trying to make a point. But despite the pitfalls, despite limping my way through recovery, managing blood sugar like a full time job, and navigating the emotional roller coaster of downsizing my life to 300 square feet, I'm still here, still rolling, still laughing, and still finding weird joy in spotting the most absurd product claims on Facebook. Red light therapy can reverse aging and make you emotionally stable? Sign me up, again. Some days are harder than others. Some days I wonder if I've made a terrible mistake. But most days, I look around my tiny home on wheels, with the world outside my window, and I think, this isn't so bad. Besides, if life's gonna throw me plot twists, I'd rather face them with a good Wi-Fi signal, a working slide out, and a fresh water tank. So here's to RV life: the chaos, the comedy, and the completely unpredictable beauty of it all.